Let's talk about Shopify POS benefits. You've probably heard of it if you own a shop. What exactly is Shopify POS and why do you need it? Shopify POS is a point-of-sale system that allows customers to sell their products both online and in person. However, this is only the tip. Shopify point of sale comes with many benefits. Let's have a look at just some of the many benefits of Shopify POS. Shopify point of sale is very user-friendly. Shopify POS has been designed to be simple, as opposed to some other POS software that can be difficult and confusing. It is simple to set up your shop and add products. Also, checking out customers can be done quickly and easily. All your questions can be answered by scheduling a call below. Shopify point of sale is also highly customizable. You can select from a number of themes and colors to create a brand-matched look. Additionally, plugins and apps can be added to your POS system to increase its functionality. Shopify point of sale integrates easily with your online shopping cart. This allows you to manage all inventory online and offline from one location. No more having to switch between multiple platforms and juggling multiple systems. Shopify POS will take care of all your data transfer needs. You have many options when it comes to a point-of-sale system. Shopify POS can be a great choice if you want something easy to customize and that integrates well with your online business. It's very easy to set up and use. In the end, it will save you both time and hassle. So why wait? Shopify point of sale has many benefits. Try it today. For a private demonstration with an expert, use the link below.